YouTube, we are back with another detail. It's been a while. It's been very busy here at the moment and I've not been able to pick up the camera. There's even some cars that have not even made social media. It's just been crazy, which is brilliant, absolutely brilliant. But yeah, just not been able to pick up the camera as much. So it is Tuesday, it is 7 o'clock in the morning. Excuse the voice. But yeah, we have a 2013 Jaguar F-Type Convertible. I've got this for a couple of days. This is booked in for a single stage enhancement, paint coating, glass coating, wheel face coating, top up on the roof, engine bay. We do have quite a few swirls on it. We also have some high spots from a previous coating session, which we'll go into a little bit. It's not bad by any means. Can we pick up? As you can see, all of this is all high spots from a previous coating. Is what it is. Not going to knock anybody, but we'll talk about that a little bit later on. I'm going to go outside and get all the wet work done. I'm going to try and film a little bit of that. If I do, it's coming up next. If I don't, I'll see you back in there. Woo! The Jag is washed, decon, dried, taped up, ready to start polishing. Yeah, there's quite a few swirlies on this one. So this was detailed by a company, dealer, not sure who it was. But yeah, you can definitely see that this has not been polished before the coating goes down. There are also lots of high spots all over the vehicle. There was contamination build-up. So yeah, it wasn't even clayed before that coating went down, which is a shame because the customer paid for it, but it didn't happen. They just basically washed it and put a coating on. I assume, I don't know, but all I know is that there was a lot of contamination on there. It's not been polished, so the coating was bound to fail, wasn't it? Like, you're not giving it its best chance. But yeah, the high spots, they're all over. And it's crazy because to me, I know everybody's different, but if you do this for a living, even dealers and the ballators and the detailers applying that stuff, they have to know what they're doing. But obviously it's not been checked before it went out, which is a bit of a shame. As I say, the customer paid for it all, and yeah, a lot of the coating has failed already, and it's not been on long at all. So yeah, hence why it's in here. We're gonna try and remove as many scratches as we can and what's left of the coating in a single stage. I do have a bit of wiggle room, so we'll see how it plays. The bonnet is quite bad, so I might end up cutting that and then refining it. We shall see. But I've got 2 days. I've got 2 days to get this one done, and the paintwork coated, glass coated, wheel faces coated. Yeah. So yeah, we're going to dive straight in. We're going to set up the camera. Let's get polishing. Woo, let's make it shine. Come on. Well, there we go. That is the polishing finished on the Jag. Now, when I did my paint readings, they were definitely lower than I would like to have seen. So I made the decision that we were just going to do a single stage machine polish to try and remove as little clear coat as possible. Just so if it needs doing again down the future, we've got more than enough to do single stages, but I just didn't want to start removing excess clear coat when it doesn't really need it. Yes, we've got like a deep scratch here. There's quite a few on there, but they've all been rounded off in the single stage, so they're less noticeable. We've got a couple on the bonnet, but as an overall, it's just amazing what a single stage can do. Absolutely transform that paintwork. It's getting on a bit tonight for day one, so I'm going to go around with my Spice Hacker 7010, which is a strong panel wipe. I'm going to wipe everything down, including the wheels, the glass, just everything that's going to be coated. I'm going to wipe it all down tonight. Then I'm going to come in the morning, wipe it down with GYEON Prep, leave it an hour, then get on with the coatings. So yeah, really happy that I made that decision to just go with the single stage. Yeah, this is going to get used and it's going to pick up the odd mark here and there. Happy with that. So let's just get on and do some wipe downs. Wednesday morning and it's time to get some protection on the Jag. So last night I wiped it all down with Spice Hacker 7010. First thing when I came in, I wiped it down with GYEON Prep and it's been over an hour. So we are ready to go. So yeah, we've got GYYEON Infinite Base Type 1. That is going to be used for the paintwork and the wheels. We're going to do quick view for the glass, a bit of roof protection. So yeah, let's run a bit of montage footage, play some music, and let's get it going. Woohoo! Jaguar F-Type detail completed. Look at that. More than happy. For a single stage, yeah. God, I love this so much. Single stage machine polish that had GYYEON Infinite Base Type 1 for the protection, Infinite Base Type 1 for the wheel faces as well. We had quick view for the glass. The roof had a coat of GYYEON fabric coat. That was already coated quite a few months ago, so I just put another layer of that on just to keep that topped up. Exhaust polished. Under the bonnet was GYYEON Preserve. Oh, jeez. what a difference. So apart from a few deep scratches here and there, well happy with that, how that one's turned out. Oh, the depth in that paintwork is amazing. Soft paint, I think all the Jags I've done, the F-Types, have all had soft paint, which means you can get quite a lot of cut and get it to finish down as well from a medium polish and a medium pad. This was GYEON polish on a yellow medium pad. Works absolute wonders. Yeah, I think I made a bit of a boo-boo with the Q&A. That was on the Macan video, the Porsche Macan. I've still got a Range Rover Mercedes SL and this one to put up, so the questions won't be in the next vlog that comes along. So what I'm probably going to have to do is a separate Q&A vlog, so I can gather a few questions from a couple of vlogs and then just do like a 10-15 minute vlog on a Q&A. I think that's the way I'm going to have to do it. I didn't think it through when I said it, so yeah, I'll sort it out one way or another. So yeah, if you do have any questions for a Q&A, leave them down below and we'll do a separate vlog for a Q&A. Woo! Let's get into some afters. Jaguar F-Type Enhancement Detail. And that has been GYEON. Let's do some afters.